Andrew Plitt here with andrewplitt.com. In this video we are connecting movements 1 and 2 of the Taiji 10 form. If you don't already know these movements, go back and check out the videos where I teach each of these movements in detail so you know what's supposed to be happening specifically with each of these movements. Those videos are available for free on my YouTube channel. After you've learned these movements, come back to this video and learn how to connect them. As always with these videos, the first time I demonstrate these movements, I'm going to do it starting facing you. That's your opportunity to review how the movements are supposed to be done. Then the second time I show these movements, I'm going to do it facing away from you. That's the same view you would have if we were in a class together, and that's your opportunity to follow along and actually practice connecting these movements with me. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Let's go and get started. Start with your feet together, weight even between both legs, check your alignment, make sure all the Tai Chi principles are in place that we've talked about in previous videos. Begin by bending the knees. Shift your weight into the right leg. Step out with the left foot to the east, gently touching with the left toe. Set the heel down and shift the weight so it's even between both legs. Breathe in, bring the arms up in front of the body. Breathe out and press down with both hands as you sink. The right hand sweeps back, the left hand comes up in front, both hands turn palm up. Bend the right arm, drop the elbow. Push forward with the right hand as you pull the left hand back. Sweep back behind the body with the left hand, both hands turning palm up, the right arm extended in front of you. Bend the left elbow. Push forward with the left hand as the right hand pulls in. Start with your feet together, weight even between both legs. Make sure that all the alignment is in place. Make sure that all the Tai Chi principles are in place, that you have good structure and good alignment through the body. Hands to your sides. Bend the knees. Sink. Shift your weight into the right leg. Pick up the heel of the left foot. Step out to the left or to the east, gently touching with the toe. Setting the heel down and shifting your weight so it's even between both legs. Bring the arms up in front. Palms down. Sink and press down with both hands. The right hand sweeps back behind. The left hand comes up in front. Bend the right arm. Push forward to the south. With the right hand, pull the left hand back. Sweep back with the left hand. Palm up. Bend the left arm. Push forward with the left hand and pull back with the right hand. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to connect these movements with me today. I hope this video was very beneficial for you, and I hope it really helped you see how these movements go together as you're practicing the form. If you enjoyed this video or if you got something out of it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also consider becoming a supporting member for this channel to help ensure more videos like this will be made available in the future. Stay safe and healthy out there, and as always, thank you for watching.